Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to turn a simple, boring, plain outfit into a stylish $1,000,000 ensemble that will make you look like you have a lot of money in your bank account though you have nothing. So the first hack is to basically take an elastic. I'm using a rubber band because I didn't have elastics, but I'm basically tying my shirt on the side, and as you can see I'm looping one side through, and for the second loop I'm not letting it all the way through. That way I have a knot and a piece of hanging cloth, as you will see. So basically this is it, and I think it makes a whole lot of a difference to your outfit, makes it more fitting, makes it look cute, effortless and stylish, and it's just a simple thing that makes a whole lot of a difference. So the next, whoa, I can't even talk, but the next thing you can do is make your shirt off shoulder. As you can see, showing shoulders is always sexy, and it just gives your shirt this added element of just cute and hella fine, okay? And if two shoulders is a bit much, you can just have one showing. And for the knot, I'm basically looping it all the way through. That way I have a piece of hanging cloth like this, and look at that. Such a simple thing makes such a huge difference in my opinion. So basically I'm just making the shirt off shoulder again for both sides, and this is a whole different look, as you can see. So another thing you can do is adding accessories such as a belt. Look at the difference a belt makes. It just makes you look snatched at the waist, gives you sort of a curvy look, and you just look put together and cute in my opinion. And another way you can wear your shirt is to tack it in at the front. As you can see, it just adds that element of the belt is showing and I look hella cute and effortless. Get on it. So other accessories you can add is like a choker. I think they're very sexy. I switched back my shirt to tying it because this is my favorite way to wear my shirt. And basically, as you can see, the choker just adds a lot of style. Okay, so the third thing, fourth, fifth, I have no idea, but basically just drape a coat over your shoulders. Doesn't matter what type, leather, faux, suede, just drape a coat over your shoulders and it just looks like a whole new outfit. So as you can see, these are the before and afters. Honestly, look at the difference this makes to your outfit. And I basically also folded the hems of my pants. And that's it. That's how you make a boring ass outfit into one cool ensemble. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.